everyone, welcome to Cypher Page, and today we are going to solve Leetcode number 3090, that is maximum length substring with two occurrences. Okay, so in this question we are given a string and we have to find the maximum substring length of substring such that it contains at most two occurrences of each characters. Suppose if we have this as a string, we have to get a string that has maximum of two occurrences of each character. So if I start from B, so occurrence of B is right now 1, then C, occurrence of C is 1, then again B, so it will become 2, then again B, it will become 3. So we don't want to include this B, so we will return this much of length. Okay, but the twist in this question is we have to return the maximum length. Okay, we have to return the maximum length of this kind of substring. So this is a substring. Okay, similarly we can say if we start from this position, then it will be this much. If I start from this position, this B, I will end up here only because B, then again B, so we will not include this. Suppose if I start from this B, okay, let me make it clearly so that you can understand. Okay, I'm drawing it very nicely. Okay, so that you can understand the algorithm what I want to convey. The string is B, C, then again B, again B, again B, then C, B, A. Okay, right now I'm at I equals to 0. If I start from here, I can go till this. Okay, so this is for I equals to 0. Now again, I can see I can do another traversal from this to this length. So let's say I equals to 1. If I start from, this is the what? Starting length, start index. And I will check at each whether the duplicates are coming or not. So if I start from I equals to 2, I can include these two elements only. Okay, so फिर I equals to 3 से start करता हूँ मैं अगर, that means okay, let me write indexes as well. Let me change the color. This is the 0th index, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so if I'm starting from I equals to 3, that means this I can include these two elements only. Okay, so and if I start from I equals to 4, I can include B is 1, then C, then B, then A. Okay, if I start from I equals to 5, I can include these three elements. If I start from I equals to 6, I include these two elements, and if I start from I equals to 7, I can include only this one character, that is A. Okay, so if we see, the length here is 3, here is 3 again, here is 2, 2, here is 2, here is 4, that is the longest. Here it is 3 again, and here it is 2, 1. So we have to return this 4 as our answer. So if you see, I'm just using one loop and I'm calculating the frequency. So can we write an algorithm in this way? Of course, I will iterate, use a loop in which I will start with this, and I will inside that I will check if any characters repeats more than 2 times. I will get to the another iteration, and I will calculate the length. How length will be calculated? Length will be of course end, that is the I, you can say I, this is the ith pointer, I'm just writing it end, or instead of end equals to I लिख दे रहा मैं इसको वापस I minus start plus 1. This is how I can write my length, and we have to maintain a max length. So I will write max length is equals to max of length comma I minus start plus 1. So this is how we'll do this question. Okay, so let's do the coding part. Okay, so I'm just doing the coding. What I'll do, I'll make a variable that will be the max length, and it will be 0. And yeah, okay, I will initialize a loop from I equals to, or I can write it end as well, but I'm writing I equals to 0, I less than s dot size I plus plus, then I'm just making a length variable, and I have to maintain the frequency. So for that I'm just making an int array of size 26. Okay, and I initialize all the values with 0, so not required. Okay, I'll write it like this, and thereafter what I'll do, I will just start iterating with another j equals to I, and j should be less than s dot size j plus plus. What I'll do, I will try to get the element. Okay, so what I'll do, I want like it is a boolean, it is a, what is it, it is I'm just storing the indexes now. So I want to store the each characters at these are the 26 alphabets. So I will start a at 0th index. So what, how I can write, how I can store them, like I will use idx, and I will store them in the array array index. But how? So s of I, that is the current element, sorry, s of j minus this, all these are small letters, so minus a's value is 97, and if another element is there, if suppose this is a, it will minus, so index will be 97 minus 97 will be equals to 0. So it will store the element arr of idx at 0. So I want to increase the frequency of that particular element. I am doing this, and if arr of idx is greater than uh, 2, then what I'll do, I will just decrease, first of all just decrease arr of idx minus minus, and I will also like I need to increase my I can do break. Okay, I can do break, and because I don't want to do any other stuff here, and what I'll calculate the length. Okay, length will variable will always incrementing here. Okay, and what is max length will be equals to max of len comma, okay, I'm calculating this len now. Okay, can I do in another way? Okay, instead of this okay, I can do it like this only. Max len will be equals to max of max len comma len. Okay, because I'm calculating the length here also, and at last I'll return max len. Let me check whether it is working or not. I think I have done some mistake, but yeah, it is good. It is a nice approach. It is submitting. Okay, I have written it nicely, I guess. Okay, it is accepted. That's nice. I was thinking I made a mistake. So it is accepted. But the time complexity, let's see what is the analysis. The time complexity will be of big of n square. Okay. Here you can see I'm just analyzing. Here you can see the time complexity is n square. So we don't want this time complexity. How we can use and how we can just make it optimized with time complexity of n. If you remember, like I'm just switching the tab. Like we have done this question earlier, and if I just paste the code here, the length of longest subarray with at most k frequency, the question is same. The question is same. Instead of this is the, like you can say, this is the generalized question we have done earlier. You can see the video, and instead of just, if we change the frequency, I have written the code. If we just change the frequency of at most k with the frequency at most 2, we can use this code as well, and it will work as it is. Okay, so this is how we can solve this question. I hope you like the video. Thank you. So yeah, thank you.